This conference will now be recorded.
Seven. Is it locked? Is locked? Not working. Okay, thank you. Yes. So we are in standard internal tables. So with standard internal table, there is a command is there. Read. Why we have to use this command? Sometimes I want to set some records in internal table, not in table, not in database table. I want to set. Why to set? Suppose I call three tables records into three internal tables. First, I have to read first record in the first internal table. With that related, I have to pick up from second internal table. With that related, I have to pick up in third internal table. So whenever you want to pick up some records in internal table, you have to search. You have to use the read command. What is this read command? Reads the internal table records to search the selected record with key field condition and fetches into work area. If the record form. What is syntax? We can apply read table, will mention internal table name, and will fetch into work area with key, and we will specify some key field condition. And here we have used a keyword binary search. This is a result keyword where data reads in a binary format. But how do you know that? It is an internal process with system field variable. System field variable. Understand? Got to one here. Variable size subas returns status is 0, means record found. If it is 4, record not found. So this is very, very important. You should follow, understand the concept. Okay? Yeah, please note this read command. Copied. Siddharth copied. Read command.
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah, coming to the next command is modify. Sometimes we can modify the existing internal table records also. So what is this command? Modify changes the existed record fields data into internal table. What do you apply syntax? Modify the internal table name from work area. Here, work area holds the modified data. Okay. What the syntax about modify? Well, yeah. So that is very important to go for using modify and read command. So we'll try one example. Both the things I'll show you. Okay, good. So executable, declare standard internal table referring, okay, item type. So multiple items into internal table. Find the selected item into internal table and display item information and modify the selected item into internal table and display modified, okay, item information into internal table. This we are trying loop and loop, read and modify. Okay. Next we done with append with sort. Correct? Yes, sir. What? So this is a standard internal table. Okay. So this is we will try with append, modify, read, and solve. All the commands we'll try now in this. Okay.
So why does it come in red?
Hmm?
Sir, why does it come in red color first? Seems like it's an error.
Where red color?
No. When you created the program, and then it's in red color.
No. No red color.
Not here, sir. Program name.
Program name. Okay. Maybe wrong if you entered. It comes wrong. Good. So now, how to declare? There is no commands. Everybody knows. Okay, type hyphen pools and get tz12, correct? Son. Good. Now I'll declare internal table. I tap type standard table of okay get tz12 underscore item type. Yes, son. Fine. We can mention it with the non hyphen unique item, comma, and I need to declare work area type get tz12 underscore item type. So you want to store one by one records. So work area hyphen item is equal to I'll mention instead work area hyphen quantity equal to answer 12 and work area hyphen u rate is equal to 125 rupees and append work area to I tap and clear work area. Correct. So like this we'll store three records. Just for practice, So no need to waste of time. Now I'm mentioning okay, this is Horlicks. Okay, so 6 bottles. Its cost is 2,999. Okay, good. Correct. Yeah. So now again I'm storing the next boost. Okay, so this is 12 bottles. Each cost is 999. Good. So first a good. So now I want to store. I want to display. So I'm mentioning standard internal table items list. So already know we mentioned loop that I tap into work area. So I'll specify here at 10 work area hyphen item 3 comma okay at 40 work area hyphen quantity and work area hyphen u rate and clear work area and row. So whatever you store data, it stores in a randomly correct. Some the point here. Unique key. Yeah. Spelling's problem. Item type.
Key type.
So when you press F8, it shows whatever you store the data in random order. Correct. Still Horlicks boost. Correct. Good. Now I want to find selected record Horlicks. Boost again. Boost. Okay. Good. So now I want to find selected item records. So I'll mention skip at colon slash. So find. So with read, find the selected item. Okay. Horlicks. Then first what you'll do sort item by item. So whenever search process compulsory should arrange in sort order. Then read table I tab into work area with key item equal to you need to mention Horlicks and okay key item binary search. But you know find item or not. So if I'll write size of RC equal to 0 Understanding? So I'm going to display, okay, at 10, so the find item information. Red colon slash find. I'll mention work area hyphen item color find and work area hyphen quantity color find. Again, I did not mention. Make it as 60. Okay, so I'll mention 60 work area hyphen. Okay, you rate color find. Good, and I'll mention else. I'll show the message. Okay, item not found. That's end. Okay, so like this internal table, we can set a command by using this. A particular record you want to do it through read command, we can find here. Got it? So the record found Horlicks, quantity is 6. What is unit rate? Now I want to modify. Okay, Nestle as 5-star chocolate. Okay, so now again I want to write code. To modify. Okay, change the item Nestle as 5-star chocolate.
So you don't need to give columns around Nestle.
Pardon?
Around Nestle, you don't need to specify the columns.
Not necessarily. No.
మొత్తం ఒక రైట్ కమాండ్ printf లా.
Okay, so Nestle not necessary, it is going on continue. Comma, comma like this. Okay, so I want to display as a chocolate. Okay, then how do you do it? Again, I need to mention loop by tab into work area and how to check here if work area hyphen item is equal to within quotes Nestle. Then I am modifying the work area data. How do you modify work area of item equal to? I'll mention 5-star and work area hyphen quantity equal to 100 and work area hyphen u rate equal to 15 rupees 50 paise. But you have changed the work area. How to update into the internal table? Modify item from work area. So like this we can do by using process which record. But how do you know that modified or not? Again I have to read now. Yes or no? So look at item into work area and loop. And here whatever modified details I want to show. Okay. So here I'll show you everything as a color 3, then you'll understand modified data. Okay. Okay. So whatever done modifications, you can see that. Okay. So enter this and press effect, you can see that output. Yes or no? It is changing, no? So the Nestle as 100. Here it found the record Horlicks into work area and it is displayed. So like this we can do a temporary manipulation, add, modify, and we can find all these things we can do by using this. Yeah. So please copy this code, please. Start writing batting. Please note this code. మాట్లాడండి ఇది రెడీ బిజీ వస్తుంది నేను కూడా 3 సార్లు కాల్ చేశాను ఏమిది ఏమింది సరే సరే ఓకే
Okay, then that program should be even bigger than this.
Hmm? Day by day, you also bigger, no? And day by day, you are expecting more salary also. For lakh, 2 lakh salary per month. Definitely happens. You know, ad of Lalita Jewelries? Lalita Jewelries ad. You go metro, there is one shaved person is the Lalita Jewelries gold advertisement. He will say, money will not come easily.
That's really
Like that, with code only, you will get money. Understand? Get the point. Completed? Radhakrishna Rasmanik. So now Radhakrishna day by day become Valmiki, writing above Ramayanam when Ayodhya starts.
evenings.
Hmm? Over? Copied? Siddharth copied?
Yes, sir, done.
Okay. Good. Coming to the next concept is sorted internal table. The next concept is what is this sorted internal table? Whenever you are storing records, record by record, internally it performs bubble sorting. Okay. So while you're going to read the data, it shows in a sorted order. So it arranges the internal table records into sorted order. Okay, that is record by record storing internally. It performs bubble sorting of specified key field. Compulsory, we should give one specified key. Okay, so performance is slow while internally processing sorting. Correct? Yes or no? Where it is used? It is used to read master data, organization data, okay, display in sorted order. That time we can use. What is master data? Maybe hundreds. Correct. We cannot use transaction. Suppose you called 50,000 records, 49,999 times sorting. Performance is slow while retrieving data. Understand? Got the point here. That's the purpose we can use. How do you declare? So data colon will mention I tap type sorted table of, okay, and type group underscore type name, or we can mention type name. Here we need to mention with unique key. and key field we need to mention. So how to save a work area record into internal table? Then we'll mention here, insert work area into table, and you need to specify internal table name. Like we'll mention insert work area into table item. That's it. Like this we can do by using software. Yeah, please note this.
So 310
Emergency gone.
yeah,
I think ambulance will come to get prepared. Yeah, copied.
one
Finger ball started. There is one SD professor is there. SD, he teaches SD. His name is Kishore. He takes class around 40 minutes, 45 maximum 45 to 50 minutes, never 1 hour. But in 45 to 50 minutes, 30 to 35 minutes they will write notes. Full notes used to give. Starting and what's writing notes. After coming out from class, they'll say like this, finger borrow, yes, sir. Full notes. Like that. Okay, lot of theory. Because sales now. Good. We'll have an example. I'll do very fastly. See here how I'm doing. So the same foreground, I'll rebuild, copy it. Fastly I can type it code. Okay. So I'll go for a copy. I'll make it as item 5. I'll select includes and enter. Automatically, one duplicate file will be created file with the code. For me, less typing. For you, fastly you can copy the code. So I'll double click on this. Right click properties, display properties. Here, I'll go for a change mode. So I will mention sorted internal. Because instead of typing, I can readjust the code. Okay, understanding. So with insert. Good. So now I'll go to this code. Here I will mention instead of standard, sorted. Okay, I'll mention. You can give non-unique key also. Sorted also duplicate allows. It's in a key. But instead of append, what I will do now, I will mention insert work area into table item. That's one. Instead of append, I'm using this. Good. Fine. Now I want to display the sorted internal table. I'm not using any sort process. Automatically arranges in a sort. First boost will go, Horlicks will come next, next will come next. So internally it performs sorted here. Yeah, here I will not do sort. So I have to remove all these things comments. This is not necessary. Modify all these things just to display. Okay. So in before we need to apply the sort command. Here it will do automatically sorting. You can observe in the debugging when it is sorting. See that it made boost Horlicks. Next nested. But first I inserted nested. Then after that, okay, Horlicks, next boost. If you see in debugging, you can observe very clearly how it is doing sorting. Set the breakpoint. Press F8. Okay. And select the tab desktop 3. You can see internal table. Very clearly it shows the structure. Okay. Let us start pressing F5. Record by record it stores. See that first record it saves. First nest tail. Correct. After the next what it is storing? Horlicks. See that automated Horlicks will go top. Yes or no? Again boost will come top. See that. So internally it is doing sorting. But what happens if you call a transaction at a 50,000 records, internal sorting process, it takes time to display. That's why mostly we can use the sorted internal table, any master, any organization data, very less data. We can do it in a sort order. Easily you can present the output. Okay, understanding? So that's the concept of using sorted internal table. Okay, clear? Yeah, please note this logic. Yeah, I'll copy this. I'd habit of notepad now. See, I can type it fastly now. Correct. To write this. If you start typing, it takes a lot of time. By the time Rupesh lunch will be over in a mess.
Sir, the leftover food is left or doesn't taste good.
So to Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, I'm taking online, not offline. Okay, I'll be taking class for evening times. I'll fix the timings to you. I'll take for you evening. Okay. Okay, so that's enough for today. Cannot pain you much. Tomorrow we'll go for internal table concept. Again, we are going to data dictionary. We'll complete data dictionary concepts. Then after that, we'll go for database programming, OpenSQL. There we have to do a lot of practice. It is send mail to you, no? I think, yeah, yesterday's class, today's class, I have to send mail to you. Today I'll send material also. Yeah, syllabus I'll WhatsApp to you, don't worry. Yeah, copy. So internal table is very, very important concept. Any business application, for any application, either web application, Windows applications, web page, Fury, coming data from database communicates to user is internal table only. So internal table is a major role for all SAP business models, reusable process. There is one report is there at a time 25 users request response, 25 internal table block selects for each user process. Okay, so we should be strong rating in internal table walking. For any report you develop, we have to pick up the data from database tables and finally we'll communicate through internal tables and not tables. Okay, so here sometimes we will pick up the data from multiple tables. If the tables having huge transaction data, we will not write join. Individually, we have to call with different tables into different internal tables. We have to merge and we have to show output. That time you need to know the internal table manipulation, moving, adding, changing, all these things. For this, we are learning internal table commands. Okay? Okay, then see you. Have a good day. See you from tomorrow online. Maybe evening I'll take for you. I'll update you. Okay? Okay then. I think Hussein for you evening is possible. Hussein can able to hear me. Siddhartha, no problem, na? Evening class.
No problem, sir.
Okay, I'll update you. Okay? Yeah, thank you. So Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Again, Saturday, Sunday we can sit here classes. Sunday will not take Saturday offline. I'll take.
Yeah, Saturday.
Okay. Yes. Thank you.
Thank you.